sir, ready.
So it is the new part of the previous episode whatever started. New equation. So 46,000 plus 7,000 stock से 2,000 stock decrease हो गया, रहा 5,000 is equal to this is 51,000. 46,000 plus 5,000 is equal to 51,000, that is 51,000. Again number D, whatever the last item is given. A furniture was purchased by rupees 12,000 on credit. We have to write it here. A furniture was purchased by rupees 12,000 on credit. Credit means उधार में पैसा दिया नहीं गया, ड्यू है, that will be paid, that is the liability. So यहाँ पे बोल रहे हैं एक फर्नीचर खरीदा गया है. फर्नीचर क्या है? फिक्स्ड एसेट्स. कहाँ पे पढ़े हम लोग? सेकेंड चैप्टर बेसिक अकाउंटिंग टर्म्स में पढ़े थे. तो अनदर एसेट कॉलम आपको खोलना पड़ेगा. यहाँ पे फर्नीचर, ये फर्नीचर खरीदे तो फर्नीचर आया. फर्नीचर आया, कितना अमाउंट का आया? फर्नीचर 12,000 रुपीज का फर्नीचर आया. फर्नीचर 12,000 प्लस 12,000. Okay, but amount is not paid yet now. Amount will be paid. That is due. So on credit. So liabilities, creditors नाम का liabilities ओपन होगा. Creditors means उधार में खरीदे हैं, पैसा दिया नहीं गया, देना पड़ेगा. That is the liability creditors. कितना देना है? 12,000 देना है. तो creditors में प्लस कर लेंगे 12,000. तो देखो इजुगल टू का लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में भी प्लस 12,000, इजुगल टू का राइट हैंड साइड में भी प्लस 12,000. तो फिर से ड्रॉ करेंगे लाइन और लेटेस्ट कैलकुलेशन 46,000 एज वेल द कैश, 5,000 स्टॉक and new furniture purchased. So 12,000 is equal to 12,000 creditors liability to be paid and 51,000 is the position of capital. This was the last transaction. So after last transaction, whatever equation will be coming, that will be called final equation. And you have to draw the double line to make it close. And we have to prepare the balance sheet also. Balance sheet as on ... that is the date of the preparation of balance sheet. In the question, if it will be given, then you have to mention, otherwise as on या as at ... It is the format of balance sheet whatever I am drawing right now. बीच में से ये लाइन आएगा, अमाउंट का कॉलम, अमाउंट का कॉलम. It is called liabilities plus capital, amount sign, assets, amount sign. Now whatever we have to do in the balance sheet format, how many assets are here formed in the question? Cash, stock, furniture. So in the asset side you have to write the name of those assets: cash, stock, furniture. And whatever the cash amount, last final equation amount, we have to write there 46,000. And stock last final equation amount is 5,000. And furniture final equation amount is 12,000. And whatever is the liability and capital side, that also we have to write in the left side of the balance sheet. What liability? Creditors. Creditors is how much amount as the final equation? 12,000. So creditors 12,000 and capital. Capital is 51,000. Capital is 51,000. Now we have to make it total in both the sides of balance sheet. Again, double line at the below and single line at the upper of the amount written space. 41,000, 5,000, so 51,000 and 51 and 12, so 63,000. 63,000. Here also 51 plus 12, 63,000. Both the sides of balance sheet must match. Otherwise we can think there is some mistake I have done. So whatever assets and liabilities are affected in the accounting equation, and that is reflected through the balance sheet also. That's why balance sheet is also called the accounting equation is also called the balance sheet equation. Accounting equation is also called the balance sheet equation. So one sum I have taken as a sample and I have prepared in the board. I think you have enjoyed and I think you have learned, and you will go through the book and illustration 1, 2, 3, 4, just you follow up, and there I assure you that just this episode will give you the lesson to learn how to prepare the accounting equation. Thank you very much.